1 hour of dinosaur facts to fall asleep to. Welcome to our channel. Before starting, please like and subscribe for more stories. The age of dinosaurs, known as the Mesozoic era, spanned an incredible 180 million years, from approximately 252 to 66 million years ago. During this time, dinosaurs became the dominant creatures on Earth, evolving into a wide range of species that adapted to diverse environments. The Mesozoic era is divided into 3 periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous, each with its own unique ecosystems, climates, and evolutionary milestones. The Triassic Period, the dawn of dinosaurs. The Mesozoic era began with the Triassic Period, lasting from about 252 to 201 million years ago. This period followed the Permian-Triassic Extinction Event, the most severe extinction in Earth's history, wiping out roughly 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species. This mass extinction cleared the way for new life forms to emerge and dominate. Dinosaurs first appeared in the late Triassic, evolving from small, reptilian ancestors. Early dinosaurs, such as Eoraptor and Herosaurus, were small, agile, and primarily bipedal, likely scavenging or hunting small prey. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated the planet during this time, creating vast, arid environments with extreme temperatures. These conditions shaped the evolution of early dinosaurs, as well as other reptiles like pterosaurs and early crocodilians. Although dinosaurs were not yet the dominant animals, they shared their habitats with a variety of creatures, including mammal-like reptiles known as therapsids. By the end of the Triassic, the first major groups of dinosaurs, such as theropods and early sauropodomorphs, had begun to diversify. The Jurassic Period, the rise of the giants. The Jurassic Period, from 201 to 145 million years ago, marked a time of significant change. Pangaea began to break apart, creating new coastlines, seas, and more humid climates. These changes fostered lush environments that supported an explosion of dinosaur diversity. During the Jurassic, dinosaurs truly came into their own, dominating both land and air. Some of the most iconic species appeared during this period, including the massive, long-necked Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, as well as fierce predators like Allosaurus. The Jurassic also saw the rise of armored dinosaurs, such as Stegosaurus, with its distinctive plates and tail spikes. Vegetation during the Jurassic was dominated by cycads, ferns, and conifers, which formed vast forests. These plants provided abundant food for herbivorous dinosaurs, while the carnivorous species thrived as apex predators. This period also saw the evolution of the first birds, such as Archaeopteryx, which displayed both dinosaur and avian characteristics. In the skies, flying reptiles called pterosaurs soared, while the oceans were home to massive marine reptiles like plesiosaurs and ichthyosaurs. The Jurassic was a time of vibrant ecosystems, with dinosaurs adapting to every niche available. The Cretaceous Period, the peak of dinosaur evolution. The Cretaceous Period, lasting from 145 to 66 million years ago, was the longest and most diverse period of the Mesozoic era. By this time, dinosaurs had spread across the globe, adapting to a wide range of habitats and climates. The breakup of Pangaea into smaller continents created geographic isolation, driving the evolution of unique dinosaur species in different regions. This period saw the emergence of some of the most famous dinosaurs, including Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. Herbivorous dinosaurs diversified dramatically, with groups like hadrosaurs, duck-billed dinosaurs, and ceratopsians, horned dinosaurs, thriving in herds. Large predators like T-Rex ruled the land, while smaller theropods, including feathered dinosaurs, became increasingly bird-like. The Cretaceous also introduced flowering plants, angiosperms, which began to replace ferns and cycads as the dominant vegetation. These plants supported new ecosystems and influenced the diets and behaviors of herbivorous dinosaurs. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Cretaceous is the evidence of social behavior in dinosaurs. Fossilized nests, eggs, and footprints reveal that many species engaged in parental care, migration, and complex group dynamics. For example, fossils of Maiasaura show that these dinosaurs nurtured their young, earning them the nickname good mother lizards. The end of the age of dinosaurs. The age of dinosaurs came to a sudden and dramatic end 66 million years ago with the Cretaceous Paleogene (KPG) extinction event. This mass extinction was likely caused by an asteroid impact near modern-day Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, forming the Chicxulub crater. The impact triggered massive wildfires, tsunamis, and a global nuclear winter that disrupted ecosystems and wiped out approximately 75% of all species. The extinction event marked the end of the non-avian dinosaurs, but some smaller theropods survived, evolving into modern birds. This extinction also paved the way for mammals to rise and dominate Earth's ecosystems. The legacy of dinosaurs. Although the dinosaurs themselves are long gone, their legacy continues. Fossil discoveries provide a window into their incredible diversity, adaptations, and behaviors, inspiring awe and curiosity. Modern birds serve as living reminders of their dinosaur ancestors, showcasing the enduring impact of evolution. The age of dinosaurs remains one of the most fascinating chapters in Earth's history, a testament to the power and resilience of life. Dinosaurs were among the most successful and diverse groups of animals to ever walk the Earth. Over their 160 million year reign, they evolved into an extraordinary variety of shapes, sizes, and lifestyles. From tiny, bird-like dinosaurs to colossal, long-necked giants, their ability to adapt to different environments and ecological niches was unparalleled. Understanding their evolutionary history sheds light on their incredible diversity and how they dominated the Mesozoic era. The origins of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs evolved during the Triassic Period, approximately 230 million years ago, from small, reptilian ancestors. These early dinosaurs were part of a larger group of reptiles called archosaurs, which also included crocodilians and pterosaurs, flying reptiles. Archosaurs thrived after the Permian-Triassic extinction, a catastrophic event that wiped out most life on Earth, giving rise to new species that could exploit vacant ecological niches. The earliest known dinosaurs, such as Eoraptor and Herosaurus, were small, bipedal predators. These early species were agile and likely hunted small prey. Their evolutionary success stemmed from their upright posture, which allowed for efficient movement and endurance, setting them apart from sprawling reptiles like lizards. The major dinosaur groups. As dinosaurs diversified, they split into two main groups based on their hip structure, Saurischia and Ornithischia. These groups developed distinct features and included some of the most iconic dinosaur species. 1. Saurischians, lizard-hipped dinosaur. Saurischians included both theropods, carnivorous dinosaurs, and sauropodomorphs, long-necked herbivores. Theropods like Tyrannosaurus rex, Velociraptor, and Allosaurus were primarily bipedal predators. They had sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and, in some cases, feathers. Theropods are also the ancestors of modern birds. Sauropodomorphs, such as Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, and Argentinosaurus, were massive herbivores with long necks and tails. They adapted to browsing vegetation in treetops, using their size as a defense against predators. 2. Ornithischians, bird-hipped dinosaur. Ornithischians were primarily herbivores and included dinosaurs with specialized adaptations for defense and social interaction. Ceratopsians, like Triceratops, had large frills and horns, likely used for protection and display. Stegosaurs, such as Stegosaurus, were characterized by rows of plates and spiked tails, thagomizers, for defense. Hadrosaurs or duck-billed dinosaurs, like Edmontosaurus, developed sophisticated teeth for grinding tough plant material and may have used their crest for vocalizations. Ankylosaurs, such as Ankylosaurus, were heavily armored dinosaurs with clubbed tails, making them nearly impervious to predators. The evolution of feathers in birds. One of the most exciting discoveries in paleontology is the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and modern birds. Feathers, once thought to be unique to birds, are now known to have been present in many theropod dinosaurs. Fossilized evidence of feathered dinosaurs, such as Microraptor, Anchiornis, and Archaeopteryx, shows the transitional features between dinosaurs and early birds. Feathers likely evolved initially for insulation or display rather than flight. Over time, these structures became more specialized, enabling gliding and eventually powered flight in some species. Birds, which are direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs, retain many dinosaurian traits, including their skeletal structure, nesting behaviors, and even some feather patterns. Incredible diversity, size, shape, and function. Dinosaurs exhibited remarkable diversity in size, ranging from tiny chicken-sized dinosaurs like Compsognathus to the massive Argentinosaurus, which may have weighed over 100 tons. This range in size reflects their ability to adapt to various ecological niches. Small predators, agile hunters like Truden had sharp claws, keen eyesight, and possibly high intelligence, allowing them to hunt small prey and scavenge. Gigantic herbivores, dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus evolved massive bodies to reach high vegetation, with long necks to cover wide feeding ranges without moving frequently. Defensive adaptations, dinosaurs like Ankylosaurus and Stegosaurus developed armor, spikes, and tail clubs to defend against predators. These adaptations also likely played a role in courtship or territorial displays. Social structures, fossil evidence suggests that many dinosaurs lived in herds or packs. For example, fossils of Maiasaurus indicate that these dinosaurs cared for their young, suggesting complex social behavior. The dinosaur fossil record. The fossil record provides a window into the evolutionary success of dinosaurs. Fossils have been discovered on every continent, including Antarctica, showing that dinosaurs were capable of adapting to diverse environments. From polar forests to arid deserts, they thrive in a wide variety of habitats. Key fossil discoveries, such as the Hell Creek Formation in the United States and the Gobi Desert in Mongolia, have revealed new species and provided insights into how dinosaurs lived and interacted with their environment. These discoveries continue to expand our understanding of their diversity and evolution. Dinosaurs as masters of adaptation. The evolutionary success of dinosaurs can be attributed to their ability to adapt to changing environments and ecological pressures. Their upright posture, efficient respiratory systems, and diverse diets allowed them to dominate for millions of years. Even after the extinction of non-avian dinosaurs, their legacy continues in modern birds, a living testament to their resilience and adaptability. Dinosaurs were far more than giant lizards. They were complex, dynamic creatures that evolved into a dazzling array of forms. From their origins in the Triassic to their incredible diversity in the Jurassic and Cretaceous, their story is one of nature's most remarkable evolutionary achievements. Dinosaurs were some of the most anatomically diverse creatures to ever exist. Their incredible adaptations allowed them to dominate Earth for over 160 million years, thriving in environments as varied as dense forests, arid deserts, and polar regions. From their skeletal structures to specialized traits like horns, feathers, and tails, dinosaurs were finely tuned to survive, hunt, and reproduce in their dynamic world. The basics of dinosaur anatomy. Dinosaurs are distinguished by their unique skeletal structure. One of their defining features is an upright posture, with legs positioned directly beneath their bodies rather than sprawling to the side like modern lizards. This posture allowed for efficient movement, better support for large body sizes, and a variety of locomotive adaptations. 1. Skulls and teeth. Dinosaur skulls varied widely, reflecting their diets and lifestyles. Herbivorous dinosaurs had flat or grinding teeth for chewing plants, while carnivorous dinosaurs had sharp, serrated teeth for tearing flesh. Tyrannosaurus rex had some of the largest and strongest teeth of any dinosaur, capable of crushing bone, while the duck-billed hadrosaurs had hundreds of tightly packed teeth for grinding vegetation. Many dinosaurs had complex skull structures with crests, horns, or frills, often used for defense, communication, or mating displays. 2. Limbs and locomotion. Dinosaurs evolved a variety of limb structures depending on their ecological roles. Theropods, like Velociraptor, were bipedal predators with strong hind limbs adapted for speed and agility. Sauropods, such as Brachiosaurus, had massive column-like legs to support their immense weight, while their long tails helped balance their long necks. Ornithopods, like Iguanodon, could switch between walking on 2 legs or 4, adapting to different feeding or movement needs. 3. Respiratory systems. Many theropod dinosaurs had a bird-like respiratory system, with air sacs that allowed for efficient breathing. This adaptation likely supported their active lifestyles and high-energy needs. Defensive adaptations. Armor, horns, and tails. Dinosaurs faced constant threats from predators, and many evolved extraordinary adaptations for defense. 1. Armored dinosaurs. Ankylosaurs were covered in bony plates called osteoderms, forming a natural suit of armor. Their club tails could deliver powerful blows to deter predators. Stegosaurs had large, bony plates along their backs, which may have served as both a defense mechanism and a way to regulate body temperature. Their spiked tails, or thagomizers, were formidable weapons. 2 horns and frills. Ceratopsians, like Triceratops, had large horns and frills that served multiple purposes, including defense, intimidation, and courtship displays. The frills may have also helped regulate body temperature, or protected their necks from predators. 3. Speed and agility. Smaller dinosaurs, like ornithomimids, ostrich-like dinosaurs, relied on speed to evade predators. Their lightweight, long-legged builds allowed them to run at high speeds. Even larger predators like Allosaurus were agile hunters, with long legs and tails that provided balance during high-speed chases. Feeding adaptations. Dinosaurs evolved a wide range of feeding strategies, with adaptations tailored to their diets. 1. Herbivores. Sauropods, like Diplodocus, had peg-like teeth designed for stripping leaves from tall trees. Their long necks allowed them to access food far beyond the reach of other herbivores. Hadrosaurs, or duck-billed dinosaurs, had highly specialized teeth that formed a continuous grinding surface, ideal for chewing tough plants. 2. Carnivores. Theropods like T-Rex had powerful jaws and teeth designed for crushing and tearing flesh. Their keen senses of smell and sight made them apex predators. Smaller theropods, like Deinonychus, had sharp, curved claws on their hind legs, which they used to grapple prey. 3. Omnivores. Some dinosaurs, like ornithomimids, may have been omnivorous, eating both plants and small animals. Their toothless beaks and flexible diets allowed them to adapt to various environments. Sensory and cognitive adaptations. Dinosaurs possessed advanced sensory systems that aided in hunting, foraging, and communication. 1. Keen senses. Predatory dinosaurs like Velociraptor had forward-facing eyes, giving them binocular vision and excellent depth perception for tracking prey. Fossil evidence suggests that some dinosaurs had acute hearing and smell, further enhancing their survival skills. 2. Intelligence. While many dinosaurs had relatively small brains compared to their body size, some species, like Truden, were likely more intelligent. Truden had a large brain-to-body ratio and may have exhibited complex behaviors, such as problem-solving or hunting strategies. Feathers, coloration, and display. One of the most significant discoveries in recent paleontology is the presence of feathers in many dinosaurs, particularly theropods. Feathers were not limited to flight-capable species and likely served other purposes. 1. Insulation. Feathers provided insulation, helping smaller dinosaurs regulate their body temperature, especially in cooler climates. 2. Display and communication. Brightly colored feathers may have been used for mating displays, intimidation, or species recognition. Modern birds, the descendants of theropod dinosaurs, use their feathers for similar purposes. 3. Early flight. Feathered dinosaurs like Microraptor and Archaeopteryx had feathered wings that allowed them to glide or fly short distances. These adaptations paved the way for the evolution of modern birds. Adaptations for survival in extreme environments. Dinosaurs lived in a wide variety of habitats, from lush tropical forests to polar regions. Fossil evidence from Antarctica suggests that some dinosaurs, like Cryolophosaurus, could endure months of darkness and cooler temperatures. 1. Migration. Some dinosaurs may have migrated seasonally to follow food sources, as evidenced by fossilized trackways showing long-distance movement. 2. Behavioral adaptations. Herding behavior seen in species like hadrosaurs provided protection against predators and improved the chances of survival in challenging environments. Conclusion. The anatomy and adaptations of dinosaurs reveal their remarkable ability to thrive in diverse ecosystems and adapt to various challenges. From towering sauropods grazing treetops to swift theropods hunting prey, each species was uniquely equipped to survive in the dynamic world of the Mesozoic era. These adaptations not only made dinosaurs the dominant terrestrial animals of their time, but also ensured their legacy continues through modern birds. The Mesozoic era, often called the Age of Dinosaurs, was a time of extraordinary ecological diversity. Dinosaurs lived in a world vastly different from today, shaped by unique climates, shifting continents, and evolving ecosystems. They adapted to a wide range of habitats, from lush tropical forests to arid deserts and polar regions. Understanding these ancient ecosystems provides valuable insights into the lives of dinosaurs and the environments they inhabited. The shifting continents of the Mesozoic. During the Mesozoic era, the arrangement of Earth's continents was in constant flux due to plate tectonics. This movement shaped the geography, climate, and ecosystems in which dinosaurs thrived. 1. The supercontinent Pangaea. At the beginning of the Mesozoic era, most of Earth's landmass was joined in the supercontinent Pangaea. This vast landmass created large, arid interiors with extreme temperature fluctuations and limited rainfall. The uniform geography allowed dinosaurs to spread widely, with early species like Coelophysis found across what is now North and South America, Europe, and Africa. 2. The breakup of Pangaea. By the Jurassic Period, Pangaea began to split into two major landmasses, Laurasia in the north and Gondwana in the south. This breakup created new coastlines, seas, and more varied climates, fostering regional biodiversity. During the Cretaceous, the continents continued to drift toward their modern positions, leading to geographic isolation and the evolution of unique dinosaur species on different continents. 3. Tectonic activity and mountain formation. Volcanic activity and mountain-building events shaped many habitats, creating diverse environments such as highland regions and fertile volcanic plains. Climates of the dinosaur world. The climate during the Mesozoic era was generally warmer than today, with no polar ice caps. This warm, greenhouse-like environment supported lush vegetation and allowed dinosaurs to thrive in regions that would be uninhabitable today. 1. Triassic Period. The early Triassic climate was hot and dry, with vast deserts covering much of the land. Early dinosaurs, such as Herosaurus, adapted to these harsh conditions by evolving lightweight bodies and efficient respiratory systems. Seasonal monsoons brought temporary rains, creating pockets of vegetation where dinosaurs could gather. 2. Jurassic Period. As Pangaea broke apart, the climate became more humid, leading to the expansion of forests and wetlands. Coniferous trees, cycads, and ferns dominated the landscape, providing abundant food for herbivorous dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus. Coastal regions supported diverse ecosystems, while inland deserts remained a challenge for species like Allosaurus. 3. Cretaceous Period. The Cretaceous was a period of climatic extremes, with lush tropical regions, temperate forests, and even polar environments. The rise of flowering plants, angiosperms, during this time introduced new food sources, changing herbivorous dinosaurs' diets. Fossil evidence shows that dinosaurs like hadrosaurs and ceratopsians inhabited diverse habitats, from swampy lowlands to dry plains. Habitats and ecosystems. Dinosaurs lived in a wide variety of ecosystems, each supporting unique communities of plants and animals. 1. Forests. Forests were among the most common habitats during the Mesozoic, ranging from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. Tall coniferous trees and cycads dominated these ecosystems, forming dense canopies. Dinosaurs like Diplodocus and Iguanodon adapted to feeding on high vegetation, while smaller species like Compsognathus hunted in the underbrush. 2. Deserts and arid plains. Deserts and arid regions, such as those in the Triassic, were home to dinosaurs that could withstand extreme heat and limited water. Fossils of early dinosaurs like Coelophysis and Plateosaurus have been found in ancient desert deposits. These habitats often supported smaller herbivores and opportunistic predators that could travel long distances in search of resources. 3. Wetlands and swamps. Low-lying wetlands and swamps provided abundant food and water, attracting large herbivores like hadrosaurs and predators like Spinosaurus. Fossil evidence of Spinosaurus suggests it was semi-aquatic, hunting fish in rivers and lakes. These regions also supported diverse plant life, including horsetails, ferns, and early flowering plants. 4. Polar regions. Fossils of dinosaurs like Cryolophosaurus and Leolinosaura have been discovered in what were once polar regions. These dinosaurs adapted to long periods of darkness and cooler climates, with some species potentially having insulating feathers. The polar forests of the Cretaceous were home to unique ecosystems, with seasonal changes influencing migration and behavior. Interactions in dinosaur ecosystems. Dinosaurs were part of complex ecosystems that included a wide variety of other life forms. Their interactions with plants, predators, and prey shaped their evolutionary success. 1. Predator-prey dynamics. Carnivorous dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex and Allosaurus were apex predators, preying on herbivores such as Triceratops and Diplodocus. Fossilized bite marks and healed wounds provide evidence of these interactions. Smaller predators like Velociraptor may have hunted in packs, targeting smaller prey or scavenging from larger carcasses. 2. Herbivore grazing. Herding dinosaurs like hadrosaurs played a significant role in shaping vegetation. Their migration patterns likely influenced plant growth and the distribution of resources. Fossilized trackways reveal that some herbivores traveled in large groups for protection and access to food. 3. Marine and aerial ecosystems. While dinosaurs ruled the land, marine reptiles like plesiosaurs and flying reptiles like pterosaurs dominated the seas and skies. These creatures interacted with terrestrial ecosystems, with some pterosaurs hunting fish near coastal areas. Evidence from fossil discoveries. Fossilized trackways, nests, and burrows provide valuable clues about the habitats and behaviors of dinosaurs. For example, fossilized nests in Mongolia's Gobi Desert reveal that dinosaurs like Protoceratops nested in sandy dunes. Trackways in ancient riverbeds show how dinosaurs moved in groups, often following seasonal migrations. Conclusion. The world of dinosaurs was as dynamic and diverse as the creatures themselves. From lush forests to arid deserts and icy polar regions, dinosaurs adapted to thrive in every corner of the planet. By studying their ecosystems, we gain a deeper understanding of how life flourished during the Mesozoic era and how dinosaurs shaped their environments over millions of years. Dinosaurs were not just fascinating for their size and diversity, they also displayed complex behaviors and social structures that have captivated scientists and the public alike. Fossil evidence, including trackways, nesting sites, and bone beds, offers glimpses into how these ancient creatures interacted, hunted, raised their young, and survived in their prehistoric world. Understanding their behavior and social structures helps bring these long-extinct animals to life. Herding and group behavior. Evidence suggests that many herbivorous dinosaurs lived in herds, providing protection from predators and improving survival rates. 1. Fossilized trackways. Dinosaur trackways, fossilized footprints, reveal patterns of group movement. For example, parallel tracks of iguanodon indicate herd behavior, with individuals moving together in a coordinated manner. Trackways also show that some dinosaurs traveled in mixed-age groups, with adults protecting juveniles in the center of the herd. 2. Bone beds. Sites containing the remains of multiple individuals, known as bone beds, provide further evidence of herding. For example, a massive bone bed of Centrosaurus in Canada suggests that these horned dinosaurs lived in large herds, potentially numbering in the thousands. Such mass death sites may have resulted from natural disasters, like flooding, that trapped entire herds. 3. Migration patterns. Some dinosaurs, like hadrosaurs, likely undertook seasonal migrations to find food or nesting grounds. Fossilized trackways in Alaska suggest that herds moved long distances, even in cooler climates. Parental care and nesting behavior. Dinosaurs exhibited varying degrees of parental care, with some species nurturing their young long after hatching. 1. Nesting sites. Fossilized nesting grounds, such as those of Maiasaura, good mother lizard, reveal that dinosaurs laid eggs in organized clusters and returned to the same sites year after year. Maiasaura nests contained juveniles at different growth stages, indicating that parents cared for their young by bringing food to the nest. 2. Eggshell fossils. Analysis of eggshell fossils provides clues about incubation and nesting habits. Some dinosaurs likely covered their eggs with vegetation to keep them warm, similar to modern crocodiles. 3. Social structures and nests. Evidence from nesting sites suggests communal behavior. For instance, Protoceratops and Oviraptorids may have nested in colonies, protecting their eggs collectively from predators. 4. Hatchling development. Fossilized embryos and hatchlings, such as those of Hypacrosaurus, show that some dinosaurs grew rapidly after hatching, likely as a survival strategy to escape predators. Hunting strategies and predator behavior. Carnivorous dinosaurs, particularly theropods, displayed a wide range of hunting strategies, from solitary ambushes to possible pack hunting. 1. Apex predators. Large theropods like Tyrannosaurus rex likely relied on ambush tactics. With powerful jaws and a keen sense of smell, they may have hunted alone, targeting large herbivores like Triceratops. Bite marks and fossilized injuries on prey species suggest that T. rex used its bone-crushing teeth to deliver fatal blows. 2. Pack hunting. Smaller theropods, such as Deinonychus, may have hunted in coordinated groups. Fossil evidence from pack-like arrangements of Deinonychus and their prey, like Tyrannosaurus, hints at cooperative behavior. Pack hunting would have allowed smaller predators to take down prey much larger than themselves. 3. Ambush predators. Dinosaurs like Allosaurus likely used ambush tactics, relying on speed and strength to surprise their prey. Fossilized trackways suggest they could sprint over short distances. 4. Scavenging. While many theropods were active hunters, some, like T. rex, may have also scavenged carcasses when the opportunity arose. This dual strategy would have increased their chances of survival. Communication and displays. Dinosaurs likely used a combination of vocalizations, visual displays, and body language to communicate. 1. Vocalizations. Hollow crests on Parasaurolophus may have functioned as resonating chambers, allowing them to produce low-frequency sounds for communication over long distances. Other dinosaurs might have used growls, roars, or calls, similar to modern crocodilians and birds. 2. Visual displays. Dinosaurs with striking physical features, such as the frills of Triceratops or the crests of Dilophosaurus, may have used these structures for courtship displays or to assert dominance within their groups. Feathers, which were present in many theropods, could have been brightly colored and used for mating displays, much like modern peacocks. 3. Tail and body movements. Dinosaurs like Ankylosaurus used their tail clubs not only for defense but possibly as a form of communication, such as warning signals or territorial displays. Evidence of social interactions. Fossil evidence provides a window into the social lives of dinosaurs, including interactions between species and within groups. 1. Fighting dinosaurs. Fossils such as the famous fighting dinosaurs from Mongolia, showing a velociraptor and protoceratops locked in combat, reveal direct interactions between predator and prey. Injuries on fossils, such as heel bite marks, suggest territorial disputes or mating battles. 2. Herd protection. Large herbivores like Stegosaurus and Triceratops likely use their defensive features to protect their herds. Juveniles may have been positioned in the center of the group for added protection. 3. Mixed communities. Fossil evidence suggests that some dinosaurs coexisted in mixed species communities, with smaller dinosaurs scavenging the remains left by larger predators. Dinosaurs and seasonal behavior. Dinosaurs adapted their behaviors to seasonal changes, especially in regions with varying climates. 1. Seasonal nesting. Fossilized nests suggest that dinosaurs timed their reproduction to coincide with favorable environmental conditions, such as abundant food and milder weather. 2. Hibernation and adaptation. Polar dinosaurs, such as Leelanosaura, may have hibernated or entered torpor during the long, dark winters. 3. Migration. Large herbivores likely migrated in search of food, similar to modern-day wildebeest. Trackways in Alaska and other regions provide evidence of these long-distance movements. Conclusion. Dinosaurs were not solitary, simple creatures but complex animals with diverse behaviors and social structures. From the protective herds of hadrosaurs to the cooperative hunting of theropods and the nurturing care of Maiasaura, their lives were as dynamic as their environments. By studying fossils, paleontologists continue to uncover the intricate behaviors that made dinosaurs such fascinating and successful inhabitants of the Mesozoic world. Dinosaur fossils provide a window into the ancient past, offering clues about the lives of these fascinating creatures and the environments they inhabited. From skeletal remains to fossilized footprints and eggs, each discovery reveals new details about the biology, behavior, and evolution of dinosaurs. Over the centuries, paleontology has evolved into a sophisticated science, using cutting-edge technology to uncover the secrets of the prehistoric world. The first fossil discoveries. The study of dinosaurs began in the early 19th century when the first scientifically documented fossils were discovered. 1. The first identified dinosaur. In 1824, British paleontologist William Buckland described Megalosaurus, the first dinosaur species named and identified. This carnivorous dinosaur's fossilized jawbone sparked widespread interest in ancient reptiles. 2. Iguanodon and the birth of paleontology. In 1825, Gideon Mantell identified Iguanodon from teeth and bones found in England. Its herbivorous nature challenged the idea that all prehistoric reptiles were fearsome predators. 3. The term dinosaur. In 1842, Sir Richard Owen coined the term dinosaur, meaning terrible lizard, to describe these ancient reptiles. He recognized their distinct characteristics, such as upright limbs, which set them apart from modern reptiles. 4. The Bone Wars. In the late 19th century, a rivalry between American paleontologists Othniel Charles Marsh and Edward Drinker Cope, known as the Bone Wars, led to the discovery of over 130 dinosaur species. Iconic genera such as Apatosaurus, Stegosaurus, and Allosaurus were identified during this period. Major fossil sites around the world. Fossil sites, or fossiliferous formations, are areas where significant numbers of dinosaur remains have been preserved. These sites provide valuable insights into ancient ecosystems. 1. Hell Creek Formation, USA. Located in North America, this formation is famous for its fossils from the late Cretaceous period, including Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Edmontosaurus. The Hell Creek Formation also provides evidence of the KPG Extinction Event. 2. Gobi Desert, Mongolia. The Gobi Desert has yielded some of the most remarkable fossils, including nests, eggs, and the famous fighting dinosaurs, fossil of a velociraptor locked in combat with a Protoceratops. This site has revolutionized our understanding of dinosaur reproduction and behavior. 3. Dinosaur Provincial Park, Canada. This UNESCO World Heritage Site in Alberta contains a treasure trove of fossils from the late Cretaceous, including hadrosaurs, ceratopsians, and ankylosaurs. It provides a snapshot of a rich and diverse ecosystem. 4. Isle of Skye, Scotland. Recent discoveries on the Isle of Skye include well-preserved trackways of sauropods and theropods from the Jurassic Period, revealing details about their movement and behavior. 5. Argentina and Patagonia. South America is home to some of the largest dinosaurs ever discovered, such as Argentinosaurus and Patagonodon, massive sauropods that highlight the diversity of Cretaceous megafauna. What fossils teach us about dinosaurs? Fossils provide a wealth of information about dinosaurs, from their anatomy to their behavior, and even their ecosystems. 1. Skeletons and anatomy. Fossilized bones reveal the size, shape, and structure of dinosaurs. Complete skeletons, such as those of Diplodocus and Stegosaurus, allow scientists to reconstruct their physical forms and hypothesize how they moved and lived. 2. Teeth and diets. The shape and wear patterns of dinosaur teeth provide insights into their diets. Carnivorous theropods had sharp, serrated teeth for tearing flesh, while herbivorous hadrosaurs had grinding surfaces for chewing tough plants. 3. Tracks and movement. Dinosaur trackways or fossilized footprints show how these animals moved, their gaits, and even their speed. Some trackways reveal evidence of herding or predator-prey interactions. For eggs and nests. Fossilized dinosaur eggs and nesting sites reveal details about reproduction and parental care. For example, the discovery of Maiasaura nests showed that these dinosaurs tended to their young, a behavior once thought to be unique to mammals and birds. 5. Soft tissue and feathers. Rare fossils preserve impressions of skin, feathers, and other soft tissues. Fossilized feathers found on theropods like Microraptor provide evidence of their evolutionary link to modern birds. Modern technology in paleontology. Advances in technology have revolutionized the study of dinosaur fossils, allowing scientists to uncover details that were previously inaccessible. 1. CT scans. CT scanning enables paleontologists to study the internal structure of fossils without damaging them. For example, scans of dinosaur skulls have revealed brain sizes and structures, shedding light on their intelligence and sensory abilities. 2. Isotope analysis. By analyzing isotopes in fossilized bones and teeth, Scientists can infer dinosaurs' diets, habitats, and even migration patterns. 3D modeling. Digital 3D models of fossils allow researchers to test hypotheses about movement, behavior, and biomechanics. For example, simulations have shown how sauropods supported their massive necks and how theropods like T-Rex delivered powerful bites. 4 protein and DNA studies. While dinosaur DNA has not been recovered, some fossils have yielded traces of ancient proteins, providing insights into their biology and evolutionary relationships. Fossils and the Extinction Event. The fossil record also offers clues about the extinction of non-avian dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Evidence from the KPG boundary, such as a worldwide layer of iridium, supports the asteroid impact hypothesis. Fossils from this period show a sudden decline in dinosaur diversity, replaced by mammals and other survivors. Ongoing discoveries and future insights. New fossils are discovered every year, expanding our understanding of dinosaurs and their world. From feathered theropods in China to giant sauropods in South America, each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of Earth's history. New species. The rate of new dinosaur species discovery has increased dramatically, with over 50 species described annually in recent years. Global collaboration. Paleontology has become a global effort, with teams from around the world working together to uncover and study fossils. Conclusion. Fossils are more than just ancient bones. They are stories etched in stone, waiting to be uncovered. They provide a glimpse into a world long gone and reveal the incredible diversity, adaptations, and behaviors of dinosaurs. As technology advances and new discoveries are made, our understanding of these ancient creatures continues to grow, ensuring their legacy endures for generations to come. The extinction of the dinosaurs, one of the most significant events in Earth's history, marked the end of the Mesozoic era and the dominance of these incredible creatures. This mass extinction event, which occurred approximately 66 million years ago, wiped out around 75% of all species on Earth, including all non-avian dinosaurs. Understanding what caused this extinction and how life was affected provides key insights into Earth's evolutionary history and the fragility of ecosystems. The Cretaceous Paleogene, KPG, Extinction Event. The extinction event at the boundary between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods, formerly known as the Cretaceous Tertiary or KT boundary, was triggered by a combination of catastrophic events. The most widely accepted explanation involves an asteroid impact, though volcanic activity and climate changes likely played significant roles as well. 1. The asteroid impact. Evidence for an asteroid impact includes the discovery of a 112-mile-wide crater near Chicxulub on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This crater is believed to have been created by an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide. The impact released an immense amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. It caused massive shockwaves, wildfires, and tsunamis, devastating ecosystems both locally and globally. 2. Iridium layer. A thin layer of iridium-rich clay, found worldwide in rocks dated to the KPG boundary, supports the asteroid hypothesis. Iridium is rare on Earth but common in asteroids, providing strong evidence of extraterrestrial origin. 3. Volcanic activity. Around the same time, massive volcanic eruptions in the Deccan Traps in present-day India released vast amounts of lava, ash, and gases into the atmosphere. These eruptions contributed to climate instability by releasing carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, causing both warming and acid rain. 4. Climate change. The combination of the asteroid impact and volcanic activity likely caused rapid and extreme climate shifts. Dust and aerosols from the impact blocked sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter effect that drastically cooled the planet. This drop in temperature disrupted ecosystems, collapsing food chains and affecting species dependent on stable climates. The asteroid impact and subsequent environmental changes created a cascade of catastrophic effects. 1. Global fires and tsunamis. The intense heat from the impact ignited massive wildfires, destroying vast areas of forest and vegetation. Tsunamis hundreds of feet high swept across oceans, devastating coastal regions and wiping out marine ecosystems. 2. Darkened skies. Debris from the impact was ejected into the atmosphere, forming a thick cloud that blocked sunlight for months or even years. This darkness disrupted photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of plant-based food chains. 3. Acid rain. Sulfur released into the atmosphere combined with water vapor to produce acid rain, which harmed freshwater ecosystems and corroded vegetation. Non-avian dinosaurs were particularly vulnerable to the rapid environmental changes caused by the extinction event. Several factors contributed to their demise. 1. Large size. Many dinosaurs were large and required substantial amounts of food. The disruption of food chains due to the collapse of photosynthesis likely led to starvation for herbivores, followed by carnivores. 2. Slow reproduction. Dinosaurs likely had slow reproductive cycles compared to smaller animals like mammals and reptiles, making it difficult for populations to recover from sudden losses. 3. Specialized niches. Many dinosaurs had evolved to fit specific ecological roles. When these ecosystems collapsed, they lacked the flexibility to adapt quickly to the new conditions. Although the extinction wiped out non-avian dinosaurs, some species managed to survive and thrive in the aftermath. 1. Birds. Modern birds are the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs. Their small size, ability to fly, and diverse diets likely helped them survive the extinction event. Fossil evidence shows that primitive birds were already diversifying before the extinction, allowing them to adapt more easily to the post-extinction world. 2. Mammals. Small mammals, many of which were burrowers or omnivores, were better able to endure the harsh conditions. Their ability to feed on a variety of foods and shelter from extreme environments gave them a survival advantage. 3. Reptiles and amphibians. Crocodilians, turtles, and amphibians survived the extinction, likely because they were less dependent on stable climates and could endure long periods of scarcity. 4. Marine life. While many marine species went extinct, some, like sharks, bony fish, and certain mollusks, adapted to the changing conditions and repopulate the oceans. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals and, eventually, humans. With large dinosaurs gone, ecological niches were left open for new species to evolve and diversify. 1. The age of mammals. In the Paleogene period, mammals diversified rapidly, evolving into a wide range of forms, including early primates, ungulates, and carnivores. Birds also flourished, becoming the dominant flying vertebrates in the absence of pterosaurs. 2. Ecosystem recovery. It took millions of years for ecosystems to recover fully from the extinction event. Forests, grasslands, and marine ecosystems gradually re-established themselves, creating new opportunities for life. The extinction of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the potential for sudden, catastrophic events to reshape the planet. 1. Understanding mass extinctions. Studying the KPG extinction helps scientists understand how ecosystems respond to extreme changes, providing insights into modern challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss. 2. Asteroid impact prevention. The asteroid hypothesis has spurred interest in planetary defense systems to detect and mitigate potential asteroid impacts. The extinction of the dinosaurs marked the end of an incredible chapter in Earth's history, but it also set the stage for the rise of new life forms and the eventual emergence of humans. By studying this mass extinction, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life and the factors that shape our planet's past, present, and future. One of the most remarkable discoveries in paleontology is the realization that modern birds are the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs. This evolutionary connection has fundamentally changed how we view dinosaurs, transforming them from cold-blooded reptiles to dynamic, feathered creatures. By studying fossils and modern birds, scientists have uncovered fascinating details about the transition from ancient dinosaurs to the avian species we see today. The Theopod Connection. The link between dinosaurs and birds lies in the theropod group, a diverse lineage of bipedal, primarily carnivorous dinosaurs. Theropods include famous species like Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, as well as smaller, feathered dinosaurs that exhibit traits similar to modern birds. 1. Shared traits. Theropods share several skeletal characteristics with birds, including hollow bones, lightweight and strong. These bones supported an active lifestyle and later enabled flight in avian descendants. 3. Toed limbs. Both theropods and birds have a similar foot structure with 3 primary toes and a backward-facing 4th toe. Wishbone furcula, the furcula, a fused clavicle, is present in theropods and birds, playing a role in flight mechanics. 2 feathered theropods. Fossil discoveries from sites like China's Liaoning province reveal that many theropods were feathered. Species like Microraptor, Anchiornis, and Sinosauropteryx had feathers or feather-like structures. These feathers were initially used for insulation or display, not flight, showing that feathers evolved long before powered flight. Archaeopteryx, the first bird. The discovery of Archaeopteryx, often referred to as the first bird, was a groundbreaking moment in understanding the dinosaur-bird connection. 1 fossil evidence. Archaeopteryx lived about 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. Fossils discovered in Germany show a mix of dinosaur and bird traits. Dinosaur-like features include teeth, a long bony tail, and clawed hands. Bird-like traits include flight feathers, a wishbone, and an opposable hallux, a backward-facing toe for perching. 2 flight capabilities. While Archaeopteryx had feathers adapted for flight, it likely could only glide or perform short bursts of powered flight, similar to modern pheasants or flying squirrels. 3 transitional species. Archaeopteryx serves as a transitional fossil, bridging the gap between non-avian dinosaurs and modern birds. Its discovery in the 19th century provided the first concrete evidence of the evolutionary link. The evolution of feathers. Feathers played a crucial role in the transition from dinosaurs to birds. They evolved for multiple purposes before becoming specialized for flight. 1. Insulation. Early feathers likely served to retain body heat, suggesting that some dinosaurs were warm-blooded. This adaptation was especially important for smaller theropods in cooler climates. 2. Display and communication. Feathers may have been used for courtship displays, similar to how peacocks and birds of paradise use their plumage today. Brightly colored or patterned feathers could also help species recognize each other. 3. Flight and gliding. Over time, feathers became more aerodynamic, allowing species like Microraptor to glide between trees. This adaptation eventually led to powered flight in early birds. Skeletal adaptations for flight. The transition to flight required significant changes to theropod anatomy. Over millions of years, these adaptations made birds more efficient flyers. 1. Reduction of tail. Long bony tails in theropods were replaced by the pygostyle, a fused structure that supports tail feathers in modern birds. This change improved balance and maneuverability during flight. 2. Modified limbs. Theropods' forelimbs evolved into wings, with elongated fingers and a reduced number of bones. These wings became highly specialized for flight mechanics. 3. Keel and flight muscles. Birds developed a keeled sternum, large breastbone that anchors powerful flight muscles. This adaptation is absent in most non-avian dinosaurs. 4. Respiratory efficiency. Birds inherited a highly efficient respiratory system from their theropod ancestors, with air sacs that allow continuous flow of oxygen. This system supports the high-energy demands of flight. Modern birds as living dinosaurs. Modern birds are not just related to dinosaurs, they are dinosaurs. This classification places them within the clade Aviali, which includes all birds and their closest dinosaurian relatives. 1. Global success. With over 10,000 species, birds are among the most diverse and widespread vertebrates on Earth. Their ability to fly has allowed them to colonize nearly every environment, from deserts to polar regions. 2. Behavioral traits. Many bird behaviors, such as nesting, brooding, and vocal communication, can be traced back to their dinosaur ancestors. Fossil evidence of theropod nesting sites reveals that some dinosaurs, like Maiasaura, cared for their young. 3. Size and diversity. Modern birds range in size from the tiny bee hummingbird, which weighs less than 2 grams, to the massive ostrich, which can reach over 300 pounds. This diversity reflects the adaptability of their dinosaurian lineage. The importance of feathers in modern birds. Feathers remain one of the most defining features of modern birds, serving purposes far beyond flight. 1. Insulation. Down feathers trap heat and keep birds warm, an essential adaptation for survival in cold climates. 2. Flight and aerodynamics. Primary and secondary flight feathers enable birds to fly with precision, while tail feathers help with steering and braking. 3. Waterproofing. Birds like ducks and penguins have specialized feathers coated in oils to repel water, allowing them to thrive in aquatic environments. 4. Camouflage and communication. Plumage patterns provide camouflage or serve as visual signals during courtship displays and territorial disputes. The legacy of dinosaurs and birds. Modern birds carry the evolutionary legacy of their dinosaur ancestors. Their behavior, physiology, and adaptations reflect millions of years of evolution, providing a direct link to the Mesozoic era. 1. Scientific breakthroughs. The study of modern birds helps paleontologists reconstruct the behavior and biology of extinct dinosaurs. For example, comparisons between bird and dinosaur bone structure have shed light on growth rates and metabolism. 2. Cultural significance. Birds inspire art, literature, and mythology, much like dinosaurs captivate our imaginations. Recognizing birds as living dinosaurs deepens our appreciation for their evolutionary history. The connection between dinosaurs and modern birds is one of the most compelling stories in evolutionary science. From feathered theropods to today's sparrows, hawks, and penguins, birds are living reminders of the ancient world. Their adaptations, behaviors, and diversity showcase the resilience and ingenuity of life, bridging the prehistoric past with the present. Dinosaurs have captured human imagination for centuries, inspiring countless books, films, and artworks. However, popular culture has also perpetuated myths and misconceptions about these ancient creatures. Advances in paleontology have corrected many of these misunderstandings, painting a more accurate and fascinating picture of what dinosaurs were really like. Myth 1. Dinosaurs were slow and dumb. For much of the 20th century, dinosaurs were depicted as sluggish, cold-blooded reptiles with limited intelligence. This view has been thoroughly debunked. 1. Agility and activity. Fossilized trackways and skeletal structures show that many dinosaurs were active and agile. Predators like Velociraptor and Deinonychus had powerful legs for sprinting and sharp claws for climbing or hunting. Smaller dinosaurs likely had fast metabolisms, similar to modern birds, supporting the theory that some were warm-blooded. 2. Dinosaur intelligence. While intelligence varied among species, some dinosaurs had relatively large brains for their size. Troodon, for example, is thought to have been one of the most intelligent dinosaurs, with brain size and structure indicating complex behavior. The social behaviors suggested by nesting sites and trackways revealed dinosaurs were far from mindless brutes. Myth 2. All dinosaurs were gigantic. While dinosaurs like Argentinosaurus and Tyrannosaurus rex were undeniably massive, not all dinosaurs were giants. 1. Small dinosaurs. Many dinosaurs were smaller than humans. Compsognathus was about the size of a chicken, while Microraptor weighed just a few pounds. Smaller sizes were particularly common in early dinosaurs during the Triassic Period. 2. Diverse sizes. Dinosaurs ranged widely in size, with some species evolving to fit specific ecological niches, from small insectivores to massive herbivores that fed on treetop vegetation. Myth 3. Dinosaurs and humans coexisted. Popular culture, from the Flintstones to certain theme parks, has often depicted humans and dinosaurs living side by side. This is entirely false. 1. Time gap. Dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, while modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared roughly 300,000 years ago. A gap of tens of millions of years separates the two. Early mammals coexisted with dinosaurs, but these were small, nocturnal creatures, not primates or humans. 2. Fossil misinterpretations. Early fossil discoveries led to myths like dragons and giant humans, but these are based on incomplete knowledge of Earth's history. Myth 4. Dinosaurs had scaly skin exclusively. The idea that dinosaurs were entirely scaly has been overturned by discoveries of feathered dinosaurs. 1. Feathered dinosaurs. Fossils of theropods like Sinosauropteryx and Microraptor revealed feathers, initially for insulation or display, and later adapted for flight in avian species. While many dinosaurs had scales, others, especially small theropods, had a mix of feathers and scales. 2. Modern interpretations. Reconstructions now depict dinosaurs with vibrant feathers and diverse textures, making them appear more bird-like and biologically plausible. Myth 5. All dinosaurs were reptiles. While dinosaurs are part of the reptilia group, they were distinct from modern reptiles like lizards and crocodiles. 1. Bird-like traits. Dinosaurs shared many traits with birds, including hollow bones, nesting behaviors, and in some cases, feathers. Modern birds are classified as avian dinosaurs, showing that the line between reptiles and birds is not as clear-cut as once thought. 2. Misclassified species. Marine reptiles like ichthyosaurs and flying reptiles like pterosaurs were not dinosaurs. They belonged to different groups of reptiles that coexisted with dinosaurs. Myth 6. Tyrannosaurus rex had poor vision. The idea that Tyrannosaurus rex could only detect movement, popularized by movies, is inaccurate. 1. Keen vision. Fossilized skulls show that T-Rex had forward-facing eyes, giving it binocular vision and excellent depth perception, traits of an effective predator. T-Rex likely had vision comparable to or better than modern birds of prey, such as eagles. 2. Hunting and scavenging. While T-Rex may have scavenged when opportunities arose, its sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and excellent senses made it a capable hunter. Myth 6. Tyrannosaurus rex had poor vision. The idea that Tyrannosaurus rex could only detect movement, popularized by movies, is inaccurate. 1. Keen vision. Fossilized skulls show that T-Rex had forward-facing eyes, giving it binocular vision and excellent depth perception, traits of an effective predator. T-Rex likely had vision comparable to or better than modern birds of prey, such as eagles. 2. Hunting and scavenging. While T-Rex may have scavenged when opportunities arose, its sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and excellent senses made it a capable hunter. Myth 7. Dinosaurs were evolutionary failures. The extinction of non-avian dinosaurs has sometimes been misinterpreted as evidence of their evolutionary failure. In reality, dinosaurs were among the most successful groups of animals in Earth's history. 1. Longevity. Dinosaurs thrived for over 160 million years, far longer than humans have existed. Their adaptability allowed them to dominate land ecosystems throughout the Mesozoic era. 2. Living dinosaurs. Birds, the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs, continue to thrive today, representing an unbroken evolutionary lineage. Debunking myths about dinosaurs not only corrects misconceptions, but also highlights how complex and fascinating these ancient creatures truly were. Modern paleontology continues to reshape our understanding, showing that dinosaurs were dynamic, intelligent, and diverse. By separating fact from fiction, we can better appreciate their incredible legacy and their connection to the world we live in today. Dinosaurs have captivated human imagination for centuries, inspiring awe, curiosity, and creativity. Their immense size, incredible diversity, and sudden extinction make them a source of endless fascination for scientists, artists, and the public. Dinosaurs are not only icons of ancient history, but also symbols of Earth's dynamic past and the mysteries of evolution. The wonder of their size. One of the first things that draws people to dinosaurs is their sheer size. Species like Argentinosaurus, which could reach lengths of over 100 feet, and Tyrannosaurus rex, with its massive jaws and powerful build, challenge our understanding of what life on Earth is capable of. 1. Largest land animals. Dinosaurs were the largest terrestrial animals to ever exist, with sauropods towering over the landscape and leaving behind enormous footprints that still awe paleontologists today. 2. Diversity and scale. Dinosaurs ranged in size from the tiny, chicken-like Compsognathus to colossal herbivores like Brachiosaurus, showcasing the adaptability of life across a wide spectrum. A glimpse into the distant past. Dinosaurs lived during the Mesozoic era, a time so distant that it feels almost otherworldly. Their existence reminds us of Earth's long and dynamic history. 1. Ancient ecosystems. Fossil discoveries allow us to reconstruct the lush forests, expansive deserts, and dynamic ecosystems that dinosaurs inhabited, offering a window into a world before humans. 2. Geological time. The Mesozoic spanned 180 million years, a scale of time that dwarfs human history. Dinosaurs teach us to think beyond our immediate perspective and appreciate the vastness of Earth's timeline. Mystery and discovery. The relatively sudden extinction of dinosaurs, along with the gradual discovery of their fossilized remains, fuels our curiosity. 1. Extinction Event. The idea that a single asteroid impact could wipe out such a dominant group of creatures sparks intrigue and serves as a reminder of nature's unpredictability. 2. Fossil discoveries. Each new fossil discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of dinosaur evolution, behavior, and diversity. Ongoing advancements in paleontology continue to reshape our understanding. Connection to modern life. Dinosaurs are not just relics of the past. They live on in modern birds, bridging the gap between ancient and contemporary life. 1. Birds as living dinosaurs. Recognizing birds as descendants of theropod dinosaurs connects us to this ancient lineage and demonstrates the resilience of life. 2. Evolutionary insights. Dinosaurs provide crucial insights into evolution, showing how life adapts and transforms over time. Cultural impact. Dinosaurs have left an indelible mark on human culture, inspiring art, literature, and media for generations. 1. Entertainment. Films like Jurassic Park, books, and museums have made dinosaurs accessible to people of all ages, fueling a sense of wonder and discovery. 2. Symbol of exploration. Dinosaurs symbolize humanity's quest for knowledge, encouraging scientific exploration and creativity. Conclusion. Dinosaurs fascinate us because they combine mystery, scale, and a sense of connection to Earth's history. They represent the extraordinary potential of life to evolve and adapt, as well as the fragility of existence in the face of global changes. By studying dinosaurs, we not only learn about the past, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the world around us and our place within it.